Okay, so if you had a settings section, I'm just going to do a single variable, but you would probably want like a dictionary of different settings. But you could have like head bob activated, something like that. And you could say it's false by default. So it would have to be in global. And then in your menu, you could have a button. So let's say we had another button. I'll just duplicate the quit button. And, you know, this would be like, and you might even have, you could even do like a,
The drop down buttons.
you could do a drop down button, or you could do like a toggle button, or you could design something, whatever. And so you could have a check button, head bobble. Oh, it doesn't have a background. Let me see if I can change that. Well, anyway, the text is white, so you can't see it, but it's there. You just have to change the font. And then the same thing, so you would just see this has a different signal toggled. So all the buttons have different signals, and this has extra information. It's basically, is it on or off? And so I would connect this to the splash. And I didn't change the name for this, but I would have changed. Normally I would change the name to Bobble or whatever. And then I would just say global dot head Bobble activated, and that just equals toggled on, because toggled on is going to be either true or false depending on what the current state of the checkbox is. And so, you know, when I run this scene, I can toggle this on and off. And then in my game, you know, in the player, I'd have some thing up here that says if global.head Bob activated, you know, blah, 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 whatever code.
So that's where that's where I would put the script for the animation player, that's the head bob, to toggle on and off.
Yeah.
So that would be it would just be the dot visible equal true?
No. With the animation player, it doesn't actually matter if it's visible or not.
Okay.
There's probably some other property like play. You know, you would just play the animation or whatever it is. But yeah, that's where you would say, yeah, something like, you know, play animation. If it's just an animation, that's all it is, then yeah.
Okay.
Okay.